Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. I'm back with another video today. I decided to participate in the $5 Dollar Tree Spring DIY Challenge being hosted by Beatrice at Bumby DIYs and Veronica from Mrs. V. These are two great channels with lots of great content if you're into decor and DIYs and just great content overall. So do check them out. I will have both ladies linked below. They asked that we create some sort of spring themed item using $5 or less of Dollar Tree items, and this is what I came up with. Now, the supplies that you're going to need to make my DIY, I decided I wanted to make a floral butterfly. What you're going to need, basically a butterfly shape. This I found in the Dollar Tree. It's a Easter one. It has a design on the front, like a bunny and some chicks. And of course you're going to need some silk florals, fake flowers from the Dollar Tree. So I got 4 individual ones. I don't know if I'm going to be using all of them or not. And the one butterfly shape. Now, if you take a look at the butterfly, you'll see that it's actually one of these spinny type opening, and I didn't want my butterfly to spin or move. So what you're also going to need is some popsicle sticks. If you don't have popsicle sticks, you can use the hard part of the floral stem to connect the butterfly pieces together. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I mean. So the first thing I did was to take some popsicle sticks, which I have on hand. If you didn't have any popsicle sticks, you can use the stems of the florals to kind of just secure your spinning portion of the butterfly. I didn't want it to spin anymore, so I just stuck these together. Then I took apart my florals, the fern being the one that I really like to serve as the base, and I bent and twisted it and hot glued it all around the perimeter of my butterfly. And then I snipped the flowers off and basically just arranged it to my liking. And pretty much that is it. A really simple, quick, very customizable DIY that you can do in any color scheme to go with your bedroom decor, or if you were doing it in a little girl's room and you wanted to bring some spring and butterflies in there. But it's just an idea of playing with the pieces and using the butterfly shape as your template. Now, if you wanted, you could perhaps flip the butterfly around and just hang it and have it show Happy Easter for a period of time, and then flip it back over and then show the florals. Completely up to you, but the way I did it was I'm just simply using it as a template for my butterfly shape. I could have bought foam core and cut it out and glued flowers on the exact same way, but this was using a ready-made Dollar Tree sign as my template. So this is my $5 Dollar Tree DIY. I want to say thank you to Veronica, Mrs. V, and Beatrice, Bumby DIYs for putting together this collaboration challenge. It was definitely fun to, walk into the dollar store and look at items and see how you were going to use something to create something new. So I do enjoy doing these challenges. I hope you guys like it. I hope you like my idea. Of course, you can use my this particular butterfly stuff for lots of decorations, and again, customizable in many different ways if you were doing a theme, a party, or something like that. I will be linking the playlist for all the participants who participated in this challenge. So if you wanted to see some other $5 Dollar Tree DIYs that you can make for spring or Easter, please do